Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Maria and I am a nutritionist and a metabolic balance weight loss coach. The tools that helps you to make your meal prep more easier is the good knife as well as the mandoline. Mandoline makes your life so much easier that you can slice different sizes of the vegetables quite easily. A great tip for making meal planning easier is to pre-cut and prepare your vegetables and fruits as soon as you bring them home. This reduces cooking time. Having washed fruits in the fridge also provides a convenient grab-and-go snack. For softer vegetables such as mushrooms, utilize the thicker setting on the mandoline. Additionally, avoid slicing all the way to the end due to sharpness of the blades. Leave the end parts of the vegetables and chop them later with the knife for safety. Similarly, wash and pre-cut your other vegetables either using mandoline or knife. I personally pre-cut my vegetables and prepare my weekly meals a day or two later. You can store the remaining vegetables in the freezer for later use. This not only saves time but also allows for quick and easy cooking in an hour or two.